All right, got to shoot the No Pros Gone Fishing Challenge here. Got the B14 out, shooting some SK Standard Plus, so let's go ahead and give it a rip. A couple of quick sighters. Is that camera going? Yep. All right, we're gonna just go for it. 15 shots, 15 targets. We'll start with the upper left fish. I don't know. It looks like that hit a fin. I don't know if a fin counts or not. It doesn't say on the target, so I'm going to say it counts. Upper right fish. Middle left fish. Middle right fish. Lower left. Oh, that's a miss. 15 casts, 13 targets, must hit bonus fish, 15th cast, 1 hit per target. You get 2 free casts for makeup of any miss. So, alright. Here's my first free cast on that. Alright, we will go right fish, bottom. The lobster up in the middle. The bait in the upper left. The ladybug down below it. The other looks like a damn Japanese beetle to the right of that ladybug. And I think I missed that. And that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shots, 9, 10, 11. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now I'm confused, because if the fifth or the small fish has to be the 15th shot, but I took 2 to shoot something, is it actually the 16th shot? I don't know. Shoot at the next ladybug. Actually, you get 2 free casts to make up for any miss. So I'm going to shoot at that bait bug. that I know I missed a second time. All right. So now that puts me at 1 shot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ladybug 13. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, I get it now. I use my 2 free casts. That's what gets me up to like 15. This is the 14th shot at the cricket or grasshopper or whatever it is. And the bonus fish. Oh my God, horrible. Well, that's a lot tougher challenge than it looks for sure, all day long. But anyway, there it is. Thanks for putting the challenge out, No Pro. As always, have a great day, and we'll see you at the range.